Hello, my name is Derek from Tomcat Gas Training, and the series of videos you're about to undertake is my little adventure with my family to my sister-in-law's place in France. Now, my wife sold me this working holiday round about the Christmas time, where she said, let's go to Melanie's because she needs some jobs doing. So basically what we're doing is we're going to do some tiling and some decorating and a few little jobs. Now, the place we're going to is a place called Saint-Romain in the Charroux area of the southwest of France. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting off from Manchester. We're going to be following the M1 down, going around the M25 and then going over to the port of Dover. Then we're getting on a ferry, we're going across to Calais, and then we're following this road, bypassing Paris, because we don't want to go anywhere near Paris, all the way down there to Saint-Romain, which is a tiny little village, like I say, down in the southwest of France. Now then, according to my sister-in-law, who goes there she's a school teacher, she goes there every half term. She says it takes her from Coventry down to Dover about 5 hours, and then once we've got the hour-and-a-half ferry over and done with, we then can drive down to Saint-Romain, and it takes about 8 hours. So that's what she allows to do it. So we're going to do the same. So we're going to be setting off at 3 o'clock in the morning. So we get down into Dover in time for the ferry. Then we're getting across, and then hopefully by 10 o'clock we will arrive in Saint-Romain. So that's the plan. Okay, so what's going to happen with this video is I've got no clue whatsoever what jobs need doing besides tiling and a bit of decorating. That's basically all I've been told. So I'm taking my tools, I'm taking my truck, and I'm taking these 10 metre by metre tiles and a mirror. So I've had to make a platform to sit in there so we don't damage the tiles. You'll see that in the video when we actually get there. All it's done is rain. So I've not been able to film building the platform or anything like that because all it's done is rain for the last 2 weeks. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. I'll start off by apologising because I will try and do a bit of French, and I'll probably sound like the police officer from Hello Hello. Good morning. So I apologise for that, and I apologise to any decorators or tilers out there because this isn't a how-to video, this is how I do it. Derek, gas engineer, trainer of gas engineers, assessor of gas engineers, does decorating and does tiling and painting. So it's not a how-to video, it's a how Derek does video. So, hope you enjoy the video. Let's get on with it. Bonjour from this beautiful place in France. Now we've been here a couple of days, the weather's decided to cool down a bit from 28 degrees, it's only about 22 at the moment, so we're going to get cracking. First thing is to have a look inside, because all I've done is unload the suitcases and the truck's been stood here for 2 days. So we're going to unload the truck and see whether my fantastic joinery skills have actually worked and we've not broken the tiles we've brought with us. That's the first time I've seen a car since we've been here and it goes past while I'm filming. Okay, so let's actually get the back open and let's have a look and see if everything survived. Let's get on with that now. everything seems to have stayed intact. So what I'm going to do now is get all this off, get the wood off, and then I can get the tiles into the house because it's starting to warm up now, and I don't want to be doing this in 34 degrees. Now, that should be enough now to get this off. Fingers crossed. Now this is the kitchen I'm going to be working in for the next week or so. I don't know how long it's going to take. So first of all, I'm going to clear all this stuff out. Rosie's come to say hello. Come on, Rose. Come on. Look at the camera. Yeah, we've even brought the dog with us. So let's get all this stuff out. Let's get it all cleaned up. Let's have a look what the local builders have done, because they've laid the concrete foundation for me. So let's get on with that now. Now I know why workers in hot countries start very early in the morning. It's only 9 o'clock and I am dripping, and all I've done is a bit of backing up and sweeping and move a few things around. Oh my god. Now, my wife sold me this working holiday about Christmas time. Ooh, let's go to Melanie's house in south of France, she says. She wants a kitchen floor tiling and a bit of decorating. Now, I've never been here before. I thought, yeah, why not? And I took some bloody wallpaper off the wall. Needs plastering now. It's a good job I can plaster. But looking at the rest of this kitchen, it's a good job I can do woodwork as well. Anyway, no good whinging about it. Let's just get on with it. Don't really think the French level and flat is like our level and flat, because level touches at the bottom there, and we seem to have a bit of a gap here. So this won't be level and flat, will it? That's the end of day one and part one of this video. We've stripped all the wallpaper off, so thanks to my lovely wife for helping me do that, because otherwise I never got it done. So if you've liked this video, why don't you give us a thumbs up? I'll leave a constructive comment down below. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, then get over here and subscribe and press that notification bell, because you want to be watching part 2 of this video. So, as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, see you next time for part 2.